This 2025 Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack 27-12.5 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Conroe, Texas, 77301 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Conroe. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features a coffee bean interior, sleeps 3, slide-out, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.